Hey guys, it's Jeremy Scott here with GorillaAITools.com and of course AI Money Press. Hey, listen, I wanted to make a really quick video for you guys. So this is going to be a purely kind of a nuts and bolts type of a video for you about how do we get started making money online with AI. I'm going to dispense with the AI company news and market stuff. I'm going to do that specifically in another video for you guys. But for right now, I want to focus on what it takes, literally step by step. And it's just real simple, guys. I promise. Follow along with me. Follow the few simple steps. It's going to be real simple, real interesting stuff. Of course, there's my normal intro page. Also, look, I didn't feel like doing anything to my hair today, so you guys got the fitted ball cap look today. That's kind of how I roll. Still 50 years old, still freaking ball cap, whatever. I don't know, old habits die hard. Anyway, guys, here is the deal. And like I've said, if you followed any of my content before, it's a really simple system. I've been going for years and lots of money trying to figure out the right way to replace traditional income, to stop trading hours for dollars and get out of the traditional paradigm that you normally see out there. Everybody's just trying to break free. I don't want to get into the debate about, times of, 2020. I don't know if we're allowed to say the word anymore, whatever YouTube wants to do, but during a certain time, when we were all locked down, trying to find a better way to do things and realizing we didn't all have to go to an office anymore and cohabitate with people we didn't really like, talking about things that really didn't matter, we got back to brass tacks and hanging out with family and getting back to our roots. Some of you felt punished. I actually felt fantastic. Love my family and things got even better, but this isn't about me. It's about you guys. Needless to say, I have searched high and low. I've looked for great mentors. I've looked for great programs. I've been through boot camps. I've been through e-com. I've been through Amazon FBA. I've been through affiliate programs through Amazon, building WordPress sites. I've gone through masterminds. I've done all of the things searching to try and find a better way. And finally, I mean, not that I have all the answers. Clearly, I don't have all of them. But I've got some pretty good ones. So hang out with me really quick, guys. As always, as I mentioned, if you guys go to GorillaAITools.com, this is the website right here. Can't get easier than this. All you're going to do is you're going to click on the button that is right there, and you're going to get forwarded right directly to my website, fill out the contact form, really basic stuff. I don't need a phone number. It's just, really, I'll remove that, but just your name, your email address, and it's going to lead you through into getting my free AI checklist. And that right here, guys, that's it right there. Finally got it up there. So this is the free AI checklist. And I'm telling you right now, this takes you step by step through everything you need to begin. Everything from setting up your brand and Gmail account, going through, joining our Discord server, to creating your own Facebook accounts. Obviously, you should have one of those, or 2 or 5, or whatever you got. Instagram, creating your own separate account, creating a new YouTube channel. Because what we're going to do, we're not going to sell products, okay? We're not going to sell our products. There's no warehousing, there's no drop shipping, and none of that. What you're doing is you're going to learn how to utilize AI tools. It's sort of a circular kind of a thing. You learn how to utilize AI tools like I do to create some of the really cool stuff you see in my videos, and also on the Instagram page and all the other fun things, and a lot of the fun stuff that even your friends are out there playing with haphazardly. You're going to learn how to turn those into revenue generating tools. And how you're going to do that is by going through the simple checklist. Now, my page that you see is actually created on a CRM called Go High Level. It's the #1 CRM in the market today, and it helps you create simple landing pages to marketing funnels to all of these things. Now, what is unique about this is you see the word right here, affiliates. What it's going to do is you're going to create your own Go High Level account, #1, and then we're going to show you how to go over to Go High Level to become an affiliate, and you're going to sell their product. Now, right now, this is a snapshot. This is not necessarily an evergreen video, but it's sort of intended to be. I don't know what their pricing or commission structure is going to be at that point, but needless to say, you make a good chunk of returning and recurring revenue every single month that you can set on autopilot. So yes, it's true. You come in, you sign up, you're going to get a 14-day free trial on this right now, and you get to try all these things absolutely free. I'm not kidding. I'm not asking you to spend any money on anything right now at all. You're just coming in for free. Test this out the next 14 days. bust your ass, work hard, learn some fun things, and we're going to help you generate some revenue, and you'll keep it, I promise. And from then on, you're going to do the same thing and replicate it and learn how to make money on and on and on. So step number one, go to my page. You're going to go to GorillaAITools.com. You're going to click the button. You're going to get started. It's going to start your free trial. You're going to come over here. I'm going to send you the AI checklist to your email. You're going to go step by step right down the list. And guess what? When you're on this, when you go, oh, what have I done? Have I followed the steps? Well, once you've done it, once you've joined the Discord group, you're going to change it to done. Once you've created your extra Facebook page, you're going to click done. Create your YouTube channel, click done. I think you're kind of getting the hint at this point that these are the things you're going to do. Now, all of these, there's over 400 different AI tools that are available to you guys, but these are the main ones that work really, really well. Everything from, Canva, obviously, is great. Replicate, you're going to be able to create fun AI images like the ones you've seen of me standing in front of the Lamborghini Huracan. Very, very cool stuff. Everything from ElevenLabs that you saw in the previous video. If you haven't seen it, you need to go check it out because I've got some guest voices that appear in that video. All of these things, guys, including, I can even teach you how to create Instagram automation for people leaving messages, commenting on your videos, and sending them offers that way directly into their DMs, become an inbox. And they're opted in at that point, basically, for communications is how that works. Sora, Gen 3, Suno, to create your own custom music that I can teach you guys how to do really fun, cool things here. So there's so many things that you can actually accomplish with this, but you follow my simple checklist step by step, and it's going to get you to where you need to be. Now, where do we go from there? Now, once you've created your Go High Level account, I'm actually going to send you, if you see the word snapshot. Now, snapshot is a simple word for how it does what it does. It creates workflows. It creates, number one, the landing page like you see of mine, but it also creates the follow-up mechanism for, as you drop in that email address, it's going to then send you things to stay on top of it. Have you looked at the checklist? Have you done the things? What do you think about it? And stay in communication. It's a simple way to do it. But let me explain just a little further on Go High Level, because not only is it a great tool to market affiliate tools and so on, but it's also for any other industry you might be in. I don't care if you're a roofer, if you sell cars, if you pick up dog poop for a living, if you sell feet pics. I don't care what it is that you do. It's a really great tool to help you follow up with the customer base in an automated sense. Now, I don't know about you guys. Think about it personally for a minute. Do you have more than 24 hours in a day? You probably don't. I know I don't. And I can guarantee that you don't. So at some point, if you're going to grow beyond where you are now, you're going to have to utilize something else to help you leverage your time. It literally is the most finite resource, period, that you can think of. You might think it's your wallet right now, but trust me, time. You don't get to go back and do it twice. Okay? I won't spend much time on that. So, real simple. Number one, go to my page. Number two, click to get started. Number three, you're going to grab the checklist and you're going to follow step by step how that's done. We'll give you the snapshot. We'll help you, show you how to import that. Now, here I'm going to show you the back office. This is the back office of Go High Level. And in this, I have right here my own funnel clone. Now, in here, you will see, this is a peek behind the curtain here with the all-powerful Oz, guys. You can edit this right here. Here it is. I know it looks exciting. It looks really clean, but this is it. This is your landing page. It's real simple stuff. You create your own. Help you create your own branding. Do all of your own things, and it creates your own funnels that bring people into those marketing funnels that will literally follow up automatically for you and help you present additional offers down the road for people who opt in. So this is just really foundational stuff on how to get started and how to take those next steps. I can, on occasion, I will not do this for everybody because I just purely don't have the time in the day. But I can individually do some coaching for you guys and help you get these things set up. I've done it multiple times. Help you get your landing page set up, attach your domain name, help your automations get in place. So then we can move on to the really exciting stuff. And the biggest thing about all of this is yes, you should be in business for yourself. But what I've grown to know and I've grown to understand and now experience is you're not in business by yourself. With this, you have access to a tremendous community in our Discord group that's very, very supportive of each other, that helps each other grow and helps you have the opportunity to ask questions real time, get real time answers, and to share your progress and learn from everyone else. So many people are exactly where you are right now. And I want to get you elevated to the next level, guys. It's true. I'm living it right now. I'm not retired from my main business yet. We're working at it, and it's a constant thing, but I got to tell you, I'm so much more on the right track now today than I have ever been with any other venture outside of a traditional business or job. Dare I say that dirty 4-letter, 3-letter word. Let's help you guys realize your dreams. Let's help you retire early. Let's help you. If your goal is just to make an extra $500 a month, let's get you there. If you want to make $5,000 a month or I mean, I don't want to throw stupid numbers around, but understand I know people in this space that are making 5 and even 6 figures a month in this particular industry. You don't have to believe me. Join us. Meet the people who are doing the things that matter and learn from them. The most generous, selfless individuals out there who are willing to help you grow. I don't know if I've really beat that drum hard enough right now, but once you're there, you'll understand. Join us, guys. I'm not going to get into a whole lot of other fancy stuff right now. I just wanted you to see the basics of how you get in, how you get things started. Steps 1, 2, 3. Guys, like, subscribe. I hope you do. I hope we see you back. Shoot me a comment. Tell me how you hate my hat, how you hate my goatee, whatever it is. Communicate with me. I want you guys to be successful, whatever that means for you. That's what I want for you. So follow along, join us on the journey, click the button, do the things. There we go. Brief pause. Go to GorillaAITools.com. I have all the links in the description. All the cool stuff from getting started with our program to Spotter Studio, ManyChat, all simple automation tools that can make your life so much better, to leverage your time and help you create the most badass, fun bits of content you can imagine. So I hope you're willing to join us. I really, really am. I really hope you do. It's going to be exciting stuff. So come with us, Gorilla AI Tools, and of course the AI Money Press. Join us, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's do this together, okay? Until next time, Jeremy Scott over now. Bye-bye.